Today we reveal to you the best and most effective feeding for cucumbers, made from ingredients that we all have in our kitchen. You don't need expensive preparations, chemical fertilizers or special products. Nature has already given us everything we need. Do you grow cucumbers? Write to us in the comments only. Yes or no, we love to know how many of you share this gardening passion. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to follow all our useful tips for organic gardening. Thank you. Why is organic feeding important? Cucumbers are fast-growing plants that have a high need for nutrients. If we don't provide them with the right nutrition, the fruits will be small, bitter, and the plants will quickly weaken. That's why regular feeding is crucial, but not just any kind. Natural, organic feeding not only nourishes the plant, but also protects the soil, preserves beneficial microorganisms, and ensures healthy and tasty fruit. Imagine if there was a simple mixture that accelerates growth, strengthens roots, increases the number of fruits, helps fight disease, and all without any chemicals. And now, as we promised, here is the recipe for this powerful homemade cucumber fertilizer. 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 liter of lukewarm water. Mix well and let it stand for 1 hour. Then add another 5 liters of water and water the plants with it, directly at the root. Repeat this fertilizer every 15 days. Yeast gives plants B vitamins and stimulates growth, while baking soda protects against fungal diseases and strengthens resistance. Friends, share this video with your friends and on social networks, because you might just save someone's cucumber crop this year.